Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I thought it would be cool to describe a bag that I wish existed. So yeah, stay tuned to see what, or to let me tell you what that bag is. Alright, so this bag does not currently exist, but I thought it would be fun to basically describe a bag that I wish existed, and maybe this bag will come into existence. So I'm not going to basically describe a bag that is not currently designed. I just want a bag in a particular leather, and yeah, so everybody knows, or hopefully everybody knows, what the Gabrielle bag is, and I will show a couple pictures, you know, here or here. And so when the Gabrielle came out, I believe it came out last year in 2017, or was it 2016? I'm not sure. But it is the first bag in a very long time where, you know, the Chanel brand has designed that was not a, you know, not a seasonal piece. So there are a lot of different designs that come out of Chanel that are only around for a few months or a season or things like that, and, you know, they just, you know, disappear. But this bag was introduced, and it is, I believe, currently in the permanent collection. They made a really big promotion that had Pharrell in it, and I remember, I think his bag was in the alligator leather, but I think that bag is like over $50,000. The Gabrielle bag first came out, I think the medium size was $3,600, which is actually a very good price point, I think. And so I don't currently have one. I don't currently own one. The first reason is because I have not found the perfect one for me. And yeah, so I guess that's that's the only reason why I have not introduced one into my collection as yet. So I will show you a picture that I thought would be perfect, and I thought I wanted it in my collection, and it is a very unique piece. It is a very you know, sought after piece, and I even put my name on multiple waiting lists. I was even offered one of these bags, but I ended up passing on it because, so let me show you a picture right here of the bag that I'm talking about. It is the Gabrielle bag in the medium size, in the, it's sort of like a silvery, lavendery leather with rainbow hardware. And the thing that, you know, I loved about that bag was that it had the rainbow hardware. And I thought it would be, so this bag appeared on the runway, and I saw pictures of it, and I thought it would be more silvery, or a dark silver, as opposed to a purple violet sort of color. But as the release date for this particular bag started getting closer and closer, I would see more and more pictures of it. I saw that it was more of purple instead of a silver. I mean, if you turned it a particular way and had particular lighting, it could probably pass as silver or dark gray, but yeah, in natural sunlight, it was purple. Let's get real, it was purple, and I thought it looked a bit too feminine for me, and so that's why I decided to pass on that bag. And at that point, the bags in the medium size were $3,600, and I believe right now there was a price increase, and so I think they are over $4,000 for the medium size. So it comes in, I believe, 3 sizes. There is the small, the medium, and the large. It also comes in the tote, which has handles on it, and a short chain. I did try on, actually tried on the medium, and I think that is the size that I am more interested in. I also tried it on in the tote, the large tote, and yeah, I did not like that. So let me describe to you a bag that I wish existed, and hopefully it will come into existence just by magic. Or if you know, the people at Chanel decide to release this particular bag. So of course it's going to be a Gabrielle bag in the size medium, and get this. So I am hoping that it will eventually come out in a So Black caviar version. Could you guys just imagine that? So I know the Gabrielle bag has distressed calf skin, and like on the top of the bag, and then on the bottom of the bag. I wish I had you know, a sample or like a bag here to describe this to you. And then on the bottom is a very smooth, hard lambskin, I believe, or it could be calfskin, but I just know it's very smooth and very prone to scratching. But my perfect bag would be a completely caviar bag, the bottom and the top. I mean, that combination might not be part of the original design aesthetic. I know the bag itself, they wanted it to have sort of like a distressed feel at the top, and then a very smooth sort of calm texture at the bottom. And so if they make it in any kind of So Black, I still think that would be the colorway that I would jump on immediately and put my name on every single waitlist there is, because there's just something about the So Black. So I have currently one So Black jumbo in my collection, and for those of you that are not familiar with what So Black is, it's basically a black bag. It could either be in caviar leather or lambskin leather, or I guess calfskin. There's also some bags in patent leather. Just any kind of leather. It has to be black. And actually, I don't know if So Black could be a different color leather. But anyway, so the perfect bag for me, again, is a So Black. So a black leather bag with black hardware. And so, yeah, I really hope that that comes out, because that would be the perfect Gabrielle for me. Now for a let's do a little twist on this I wish this bag existed sort of game. So the second bag that I wish existed was basically a black bag that had rainbow hardware. Wouldn't that be really cool also? Because, yeah, I thought that bag was gonna be perfect for me, but just the leather was too purple, and yeah, I did not think I could pull that off as an everyday bag. But if it was a black bag with rainbow hardware, I think that bag would be sick. It would be amazing. And so hopefully one day they'll figure it out and give the customers what they want. And I think those color combinations will be the hottest thing since melted butter. Is that a saying? I don't think it is. It's the hottest thing since the sun. Let's put it that way. So yeah, again, to recap, a couple bags. I described 2 bags that I wish existed, and there might be a chance that they will come out. So the number 1 bag that I wish existed is a medium-sized Gabrielle bag in the So Black colorway, hoping it would eventually be in a caviar leather, but if it did come out in the distressed black leather at the top and that smooth leather at the bottom, that'd be fine with me as long as the hardware was black. And then my bag number 2 that I wish existed was, again, a Chanel Gabrielle bag. Black leather, but with the rainbow hardware. So yeah, I'm really interested in what you guys think as far as what bag you wished was in existence. And yeah, I'd really be interested in hearing what you guys have to say about that. Alright, so this was a really fun little video that I thought up, and hopefully you guys liked it. And yeah, until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.